Hello everyone. Well, here we are all at home at the moment, wondering what to do with ourselves. For me right now it feels like a bit of a dog's life. I get very excited when the doorbell rings. I look forward to all my meals and of course I enjoy my daily walkies. We've all got rather more time than we used to and we're having to make some adjustments. I'm trying to spend more time exercising and keeping fit, so I've done some work in the garden and I go out for regular walks with the family, and I've started cycling quite a lot, extending my range each day by half an hour or so. Some of my rides now are getting to be about 2 hours long. I'm definitely feeling rather fitter than I was before. My son, he's spending his time learning to code, and he's also been doing some work composing music using his special software that he has for his computer. And every morning my wife and I sit down and we do the crossword, not the cryptic one, we do the easy one, and she's very good at that because she's got a really good vocabulary, and she's got a good vocabulary because she spends a lot of time reading. And if it wasn't for her, I would never actually get the crossword done, if I'm honest about it. But together we get there in the end. I know Mr. Gilson suggested some books that you might want to try reading. And reading's really an excellent way of just developing vocabulary, because vocabulary is so important in self-expression and in helping you to write essays in exams. And if you listen to people who have a really good vocabulary, they sound a lot more intelligent. So I would certainly recommend trying to spend some time reading books or developing your vocabulary in some other way. And to help you with it, I've put together something that you can find on the school website. If you go into the student section and scroll right down all the online resources until you get to other, what I've put there is a list of words, list of common words, some of which are often misspelt or misunderstood. And what I'd like you to do is to try and learn all of those, and then you can test yourself with a crossword. The crossword just makes use of those words in the list. Some of you, of course, might just go straight to the crossword, and if you do, I think you'll find that rather challenging. Once you've done that, I might get round to writing another one for you, just to keep you occupied. Anyway, enough of my ramblings for today. So in the meantime, I wish you all well and I'll speak to you soon.